Let's understand p-value through an example. The definition of p-value is, under the assumption that null hypothesis is true, it is the probability of observing a phenomena at least as extreme as that observed. Quite confusing, isn't it? Don't worry, we are going to understand this through an example. Let's say there is a factory which produces cricket ball, and at any given time, if we take 100 balls and then we take their average, we feel that the averages are following normal distribution with mean 100 mm and standard deviation 1 mm. Now, suppose at a given day at 11 am on 22nd June 2010, when we took 100 balls and calculated the average diameter, it came out to be 102 mm. Then if someone is asking what is the p-value in this phenomena, in this case, then let's understand how will we calculate p-value. So first thing, let's revisit the definition of p-value. What is the null hypothesis here? The null hypothesis is the mean is 100 mm and standard deviation is 1 mm. And what is the observed value here? Our observed value is 102 mm. So the question of the p-value is that what is the possibility of obtaining diameter 102 or more if the null hypothesis was correct? And the answer is, if you go by the properties of normal distribution, the possibility of obtaining value within plus minus 2 sigma from mean is 95.45. So essentially in this case, because mean is 100 and standard deviation is 1, the possibility of obtaining value greater than 102 or less than 98 is 100 minus 95.45, which is 4.55%. So if at all we talk of just one side, which is what is the possibility of obtaining diameter 102 or more, it is nothing but 4.55 divided by 2, which is 2.27. This 0.027 expressed, the 2.27% expressed in the fraction term, is nothing but the p-value. This is nothing but the area that is read in the curve below, which is probability of obtaining value 102 or more. Similarly, if we talk of, suppose if the average diameter of 100 ball would have 103, what is the p-value? This 103 is nothing but mu plus 3 sigma, 100 plus 3 into sigma. So it is, in this case, p-value would have been probability of obtaining value greater than equal to mu plus 3 sigma. So how much it is? As you know, if you go 3 sigma plus minus from mean, you capture 99.73% of the population. So essentially it is 0.27% divided by 2, which is 0.135%. So the p-value is 0.00135. Thanks for your time. If you are confused, see this video once again or feel free to write to me. You may subscribe to this video or this channel so that you can get to the updates. Thank you. Thanks for your time.